SpaceX may be aiming for the biggest IPO in American history. TechCrunch says the SpaceX filing points to a target valuation of $1.75 trillion. The filing reportedly includes 36 pages of risk factors, showing just how massive and complicated this company has become. The biggest number is even wilder. SpaceX is pointing to a $28 trillion total addressable market. The real question is whether this math matches reality, or whether the Musk machine is selling a future only it can imagine. The same TechCrunch episode also touches Anthropic buying Stainless, Google reshaping search with AI, and students pushing back on AI commencement speeches. Follow AI Pulse now for daily AI and tech news.